Spring Cleaning Edition, Episode 1, Violet Vanity with Violet Grey. Really embarrassing because I'm constantly telling everyone that they should only have what they're using and they should Marie Kondo their bathrooms all the time. And as you know, we're doing this for customers, but I am not walking the walk.
Okay, well, we're gonna fix that today. Before we build your skincare routine,
Yes.
we gotta come clean here.
Yeah.
You gotta show me what you're working with.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, first of all, that's disgusting. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's like a dirty hair on there. That's so gross. I'm so embarrassed.
That's some real life stuff. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
This is what's happened.
This is all we have?
Yeah. Well, no. I mean, in my house or?
Well, in your daily routine.
Maureen, you know I have all of this, and then I have all of the drawers in the kitchen. It really makes me feel uneasy when it's like this. So step one is take everything out of all of your cabinets and start with a clean slate.
Yes.
Okay, it's good to get like a little tray like this because that really helps to bring it, because I'm gonna bring it to the coffee table, or you could use your kitchen table, but getting all of your stuff in one place is the first step. Super easy. Declutter.
Declutter. Let's roll up our sleeves.
Okay.
And get to work.
It's much more fun when you have a friend to do this with. I suggest you have some Red Bull and some coffee.
So we've narrowed things down, and we want to start categorizing based on your routine. So the steps.
The mask.
Moisturizer, body care,
Body.
and then the tools are all separate.
Everything should be clean. We know that.
Wipe it down. You need a great cleanser. This is the IS Clinical Cleansing Complex, which you already use. It's fantastic because it's a lightweight cleansing gel and it has salicylic acid in there, so it really helps clear out the pores, as well as some chamomile to help calm and soothe, so you can use it morning and night. Step 2 is always like a good toner, which you've been using the Caudalie, right? And I also, like in a pinch, like to use some of these mists as toners as well. They're just really easy. You don't have to have like a cotton pad or anything, but it'll just, you know, help refresh and restore.
So mists in lieu of, like if I don't have time to find a cotton pad.
Exactly.
Okay, so I can just do a mist and won't feel so irresponsible. Okay, I'm also gonna be just looking at the expiration date, which is 2019. I'm sorry, 06/2018.
Yikes.
Yeah, so we don't want to have that. It's probably not working anymore. So I have to replace that.
So then after you tone, you really...
Tone or mist.
Tone or mist.
Okay.
You really want to go in with an essence, which in my book is essential. It's similar to a serum because it's super concentrated, but it's more lightweight. This is my favorite from Royal Fern. It's the PHYTOACTIVE Skin Perfecting Essence. This has the...
I haven't tried this one yet.
It's fantastic. And this you can actually use in your hands, a couple drops, and pat it into the skin.
Okay, maybe I'll just try it right now.
You should. It's really refreshing. It has kind of a bouncy texture too, which is thanks to the Royal Fern complex.
Oh.
It's hydrating. It has
proprietary Royal Fern complex made in Germany. Oh, it's nice. It
by Dr.
smells
Tim.
nice, feels nice. It's very refreshing.
Serums. These are the big boys, the heavy lifters that really do, you know, magic to the skin.
Okay. So I always use the hyaluronic in the morning by Dr.
You have two
STURM.
of them that are both like almost empty. So
Oh, another
figure that
trick.
out.
You know what I do? I put one into the other.
Right,
Okay,
here.
first I'm gonna see when they expire, if they're
this is 1421.
Okay, great. That's gonna last a long time. Okay, so that's a trick. Can just pour this in here and recycle the glass bottle. This is by Dr. STURM, Barbara STURM, who we love. And she's another doctor from Germany.
And this is her hero product. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a hyaluronic serum. It's great for plumping, hydration, any travel. This is my go-to.
It's I think about it like it's an instant filler without the needle. So this is really, really good.
So special.
Yeah, because it has that proprietary TFC, that
TFC8 complex.
TFC8 complex that activates your dormant stem cells. And you know what's great about this is the sustainable packaging, right? So you take this off, and then this can be recycled.
This part is glass, so that just gets recycled, and this is also recyclable plastic.
So now I have 3 serums.
3 serums. I'm going to introduce 2 additional serums because serums are all about targeting problems.
Okay.
So this is hydration, a general anti-aging. Victoria Beckham is also in that category. But you know, when we're transitioning into spring and summer, we're out in the sun a lot more. I love this Dr. Dennis Gross IPL Dark Spot Correcting Serum.
Oh, I have that. I have a spot right here.
We all get dark spots, sunspots, and this is a great way to help lighten and brighten, but also prevent.
And it says Pro.
You can ramp up, so it has 10% L-ascorbic acid, so a brightening vitamin C. It also has kojic acid for calming and soothing.
Okay.
I would alternate between an anti-aging, so you can use this maybe...
Because this is more treatment.
Treatment-focused,
Hyaluronic is just hydrating and plumping.
Exactly. One of my favorites is the Active Serum by IS Clinical. This is really great for any problematic skin, hormonal breakouts. I also use this to spot treat as well, but it has salicylic acid, glycolic acid, a lot of the similar ingredients that the cleansing complex has to keep pores clear and breakouts at bay.
Okay, Maureen, I have five serums. That's too much.
Yeah, they all do different things.
Okay, you're gonna label them though.
Yeah,
okay.
You can use them all, but you don't need to use them all at once. And then an eye cream is always necessary.
Yeah.
This is the Royal FERN Phytoactive eye cream.
I love this one.
Also has the patented Royal FERN complex, so super packed with antioxidants. It will give some brightening. It helps depuff as well. So I love that. And then last but not least is moisturizers.
I'm addicted to this botter, and I use the cream. This is like swept the nation. It's like an it cream. It's like an it bag, but it's an it cream. It's very popular.
Then in the morning, you always want to use a sunscreen. Dr. STURM makes an excellent sunscreen. It's her Sun Drops, SPF 50.
So easy. I put this, sometimes I put it in my cream. I also use this Glossier priming moisturizer sometimes in Rich. And I love the way it looks.
Very
chic.
chic.
Glossier.
In addition to your everyday routine, you need a few heavy lifters, like some tools and some masks.
Okay.
So you already use the BEAUTYBIO GLOPRO.
I'm obsessed with this GLOPRO.
How often do you use it?
I use it every day.
Good
Is that
job.
okay?
Yeah.
I use it every day, and I just glad it's really easy to use, and it's very logical to me. Then my skin naturally produces collagen because it's healing itself, and also I feel like it's open for all of my serums.
Yeah, so you want to cleanse, you do that, you give yourself a little roll, and it shouldn't hurt at all, so a super light touch.
Okay, so that's step 2.
And then you can follow with the rest of your regimen, and everything else will penetrate deeper and better.
Okay.
You're using the body attachment, which is fantastic.
I'm pretty lazy about that. I only use it like once a week. What's this?
This I want you to add to your routine. It's the lip attachment to the GLOPRO.
Oh.
So all that good collagen boosting you do for your face and your body, you're going to do that for your lips.
And it helps with all of the chapped lips and dry lips.
It helps more with plumping, so you get almost like a non-surgical boost.
Oh, yeah, I need that.
Yes. Masks and peels.
Okay.
So this is a hero, Dr. Dennis Gross, 2-step daily peel.
I love this. I feel like my skin looks instantly better after I use this, and it's really easy to use, and it says 1 and 2. I love when things are labeled. So I do the 1, put it all over my face, and then I wait a minute, and then I do the 2.
We love these 111 Skin sub-zero depuffing eye masks.
I love them.
Great for travel. Genius when you've like had too much sodium the night before and you wake up and your eyes are puffy. Keep them in the fridge. So they're super cool.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, tip.
Nice
Keep
little
these
trick.
depuffing eye masks in the fridge. These are miraculous. Like I wake up with puffy eyes. It's probably, you're right, it's after I have a lot of salt. Or just like didn't get enough sleep, I feel like. And lip balm, I need lip balm everywhere. So this one's a very good one. I love this one, and then this is the best one. It's so expensive, but it really works.
Phew, we did the facial skincare routine.
It looks beautiful. Look, Mom, I've made it. I mean, this is a world-class skincare routine.
So we can't forget about the skin below the neck. You're already dry brushing, which is incredible. You use this Dr. Barbara Sturm dry brush.
I love the dry brush. Everyone should have it and use it. And if nothing else, this will keep your skin youthful and healthy.
And in shower routine, you need a balm body wash. This is the NECESSAIRE.
Okay, I love that color.
It's plant arrived, clean, has a bunch of oils in it, so it's kind of a gel oil consistency. So it's hydrating at the same time it's cleansing skin.
It's also not really expensive. It's affordable. And then after I get out of the shower, I usually use a towel and I dry off. And then I put on this. I'm addicted to this since it came out. I love this.
The MUTHA body oil.
This is founded by Hope, a woman who was trying to figure out how to not get stretch marks and created this concoction in her kitchen, and it does prevent stretch marks, and it is, I think, the best body oil on the market today.
And it has that rich orange color because of
the rose hip.
The rose hip oil.
And she uses like pure rose hip oil.
You can also add in the MUTHA body butter.
I love this body butter also. I mean, you saw Kate Hudson was Instagramming about this. And she said the same thing. She said she had to hang around naked for like a while. And that's it. I mean, it's so easy.
Well, this takes care of everything on the outside.
Yeah.
But we all know that beauty starts from within. So the Shore Magic Pure Collagen Protein.
Yes. I used this for a while. It completely changed my nails, quality of my nails, my skin, my hair. I really like it because it has no flavor, and I could just put it in my coffee. Because if anything requires a blender, I'm not doing it. Okay, great. So that's it.
I think we did it.
Look how beautiful. Just so tidy. And now we're gonna label everything and put it back in my medicine cabinet. Because I'm already intimidated and have anxiety about all these serums. There's too many serums. I don't know how to use them, so you're gonna help me? Oh. Wow.
Welcome to your new skincare routine.
It is so beautiful and so satisfying.
It should be very user-friendly. Everything is labeled via category. These are your
daily serum, treatment serum.
Yes, twice a week or as needed. Great. We've just spring cleaned your skincare routine.
Done.